All right, now we're still at 177 Sherwood in Freehold. Go ahead, see what we're dealing with there. See if we can see anything. Someone just flushed again, so push while you got water in there.
You going?
Well, if it goes. All right, if it's not going anymore, don't push
it's
anymore.
not really going.
Okay,
Just don't know what you see.
just leave it there a minute.
Right.
All right, so that water's slowing down. We're gonna come back slow and see if we can see something there. Go ahead. All right, all right, stop right there.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so you can see that the cast iron is chewed up really well. See right there?
Yeah, that's probably why my cable was coming back all messed up.
Yeah, because you're getting past, and it looks like there's
Looks like
some
it's
sort of a
gone.
channel here, like a hole there.
The pipe's gone.
Yeah, it looks like there's a problem. Just call the customer over here a minute so you can see what we're looking at.
You have a second? I wanted to show you something real quick on the camera screen. Regarding your sewer line. That's gone, dude. That's bad.
All right, I just want to. I have a picture that I can't get past. If you stand over here next to me, so you can see picture.
Hold on, I gotta
Okay.
take these off. So I try going in the house,
Mm,
and everything is dark. Hold on,
okay, no problem.
then I gotta put my glasses on. It's all part of aging.
Hey, I like that. I
Ooh.
should get a pair of those.
Nice.
They're inexpensive. I have a couple.
Okay, so we've seen a little bit of a camera now. This is a little bit of a hole at the. I'm just talking into the camera here. It's taping my voice. So we found a little bit of a hole. Let's see all this white in here. This is all paper that was a part
Okay.
of your stoppage at one time. You see this right here? It maybe it's some type of debris that was stuck in there somehow. Come out a little bit more. I just want to show.
Oh, I gotta put these closer.
Yeah, just.
Is there something that could be repaired today, or?
Well,
Is there
if he's got a job he's got to go to in about an hour,
Okay.
but maybe it's either he can start it later on, maybe, or we can do it as right now. I mean, probably if he can't get it done today, we could definitely be on this on Monday.
Okay.
If this is good, if it's good with you, let's see how. Let's see. Come back out. You see the paper is just sitting in the pipe right there.
Yep.
Like, why didn't it move? All right, stop. Now, right up here, there's like, now that might be a hole in the pipe. That could be a hole, Lucas. Come here. That doesn't look like a fitting at this point.
I don't know what that is. I really don't know what that is. Unless somebody just like, it looks like however they connected, they might just drill the hole in the top of the pipe and just shove
Because
that
that really
asbestos
doesn't
in
look
there.
like a fitting.
Like sometimes what they used to do is instead of actually having like a proper fitting, they would just drill like a hole through the pipe and basically just shove the other
I'm
pipe
wondering
into
if
it and cement
maybe
around it.
what this also could be is this could be a cable. Maybe when they if they mold anything under the ground, that they could have maybe shot through your sewer and broke your sewer.
Well,
Maybe.
the cable goes on the side.
Okay, I'm saying like Verizon. I don't know who's out here. Verizon. What?
Yeah, Verizon, but I don't have Verizon.
I mean, I'm not
within the
blaming
cable.
Verizon.
No, I'm just saying, yeah.
I'm just saying this doesn't look like a. This doesn't look like a fitting at this point.
I don't know what that is. I thought maybe it was like a T, like
Yeah.
a TY or something.
So looks like there's a part of the sewer that dropped a little bit. What we need to do here first is what's called search and discovery. We need to dig up a hole out there and see exactly what's wrong with this pipe. Okay, and then once we get down to the pipe and we open the area, then we could tell you what the repair is going to be. Okay, because this, come here, Lucas. You see this? See, look, it looked like it dropped over here. See the sewer line, like, is coming down. So now go forward a little bit to the drop, and I want to see something might have hit this pipe. Okay, send water down there. When I get this video back to my office, I'm going to try to load it onto my computer so I can see a bigger picture of this. So I definitely see a problem happening here. Okay, and then now a little further towards that drop.
Do you feel it's around that
I
area?
feel it's out there somewhere. Now the sewer line, most of your sewer line is plastic, okay, which is made of that ABS, and that's in decent condition. It's when it gets into this pipe. This pipe is like, it looks like there's some cast iron down there, and it also looks like there's transite down there. Transite is a pipe that was made of concrete on the outer shell and a very small piece of asbestos in the inside. Okay, so the asbestos kept it nice and smooth. So that's what they made pipe out of back in, when this house was built. That's what they had for pipe, because the metals went overseas. And they may have to make pipe out of something.
Okay.
The builders didn't stop. You see, the water is gathering right here. See, it's like it's leaving the sewer at this point, and it's not. I know. All right. Well, I'm
trusting you.
All right. Well, what I'm doing is I'm taking films. I'm gonna be sending you the films, so you at least have them, so you can see them for yourself. Come here. See this? You got the water on. You see it's going out. It's going out. It's leaving the sewer. It's not even going down the sewer.
Yeah.
It's going out of the sewer.
The lines somehow, however misformed that pipe is, it's
So the water's going out along the
going
lawn?
into the ground.
the water's just seeping into the ground.
Right. The water you're running water. It's not even going. It's not. Now take this camera and go past this. I want to see how much.
I don't even know if I can.
I think you're gonna have to jump it. All right, stop. Yep. All right, so yeah, so come back a little bit. Come back another inch. Come back another inch. It's not coming back?
No, it is. I just...
All right, bring it back. Stop. All right, yeah, there's something going on right here. Right there, there's definitely something going on right here. Okay.
Yeah, this is just all draining out.
Yeah, and you can see the pipe had.
Is that where that weird connection is?
That
up there?
yeah, and then it goes and it goes down, but then it goes down again, and
then after that is where all that chewed up pipe was.
go. All right, run some heavier. What do you got with that spray? Is it on something faster? What do you got? See if
You probably had it the fastest.
Put it on the jet stream.
The jet stream.
The jet stream.
Well, that's what I had it on.
That's
All
what
right.
he had it on, yeah.
All right. There's another one on there, I think. Steady or whatever.
Just like heavier water.
Yeah, whatever heavier water is. I want to get more water down there because I want to see. I want to get past that spot again.
Yeah, no worries.
I want to get back to that 95-foot mark. We came back a couple of feet, so I want to see.
The mechanic calls me. Hey, just wanted to let you know the problem is what you told.
All right, that's a very large hole there, or a opening. We're not going to really be able to tell, or maybe I'll be able to tell once I load it up to my computer, or we dig it up to do it what I explained to the customer as a search and discovery, and then we'll go from there.
Okay.
And you can see the residual of paper, so I know that there's been a stoppage in this area, so, for some reason. Sewer lines just don't stop up. If there's a problem, they stop up. If there's no problem, they usually flow fine.